Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a no-bake pistachio pie. I love pistachio pudding, nuts, whatever. And so when I find something with pistachio, I make it. I've got 1 block of cream cheese, softened. You gotta have it softened or it's not gonna do right. And we're gonna beat that. Then we're going to add 1/3 of powdered sugar. I've got a cup of whipped cream that I'm going to fold in. This is going to be your first layer. Well, your second layer, the graham cracker crust is your first one. I bought mine. You can make your own crust. The recipe will be down in the description. Okay, I've got my crust. Woo, excuse me. Let's pop that top off. I'm going to lay it there. Get all that good stuff. I put the cream cheese up a little bit on the crust. I'm making the third layer, which is the pudding layer. I've got 1.5 cups of milk. And package of pistachio pudding. We're going to put the pudding layer on. The pudding is thick. We're going to put the Cool Whip layer on. This is the other half of the whip topping. I like to go around the edge and keep a little bit of the green. Then we're going to chop up some pistachio nuts and put it on the top. I've chopped up some pistachio nuts and we're going to lightly sprinkle them all over the top. And there you have it. No bake pistachio pie. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight, and then we're going to cut into it. What I do is take that off. I flip my lid around and I put it on top, so you'll have a cover. Just lightly push her in there. And then just close it. You don't have to do all of it, but just close a little bit. And there, you have your pie cover. So I hope you try this recipe. It's going to be delicious if you like pistachio. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite dessert recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. I want to thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless and have a wonderful day.